Welcome to another episode of Fit Tuckers. Today we're going to put you through a short workout where we use the battle ropes, we use a kettlebell, and we got the mat. We're going to do some up downs. All right. So we got the battle ropes here. So the main thing with battle ropes, we want to do a wide stance. Okay. Bend our knees, take that pressure off our back. So we don't want to pull this fully extend because we put that pressure on our back. We want to keep it slack in the ropes, and we're just going to make snakes. Up and down, knees bent, okay? Take the pressure off our back, all right? Then we're going to go straight to kettlebell swings. Main thing with kettlebell swings, again, we're going to bend our knees, take that pressure off our back, and we're just going to come up and swing. So basically swing up to eye level, okay? You can do a little bit of squat when you want to, but the main thing is to squeeze your core while you're doing it, okay? So then we're going to get on the mat, and basically we're just going to get down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. Couple rounds of this. So let's get the equipment ready, then we'll start. All right, guys, we're ready for the first round. Got the battle ropes stance. All right, we're going to try to go for 20 seconds. Are we ready? Let's go, guys. Main thing is, too, we want to try to squeeze our core. And it's like we're doing a wall squat. So I'm getting a little bit of a glute workout along hamstrings and quads. And I'm getting shoulders as we go. Let's go 3, 2, 1. Straight to kettlebell swings, guys. All right, here we go. It's basically to our eye level. Squeezing our core as we go. Breathe. Again, we're squeezing our legs here. So it's like we're getting a wall squat as we go. Exhale as you go. Don't forget to breathe, guys. Let's do 2 more. And let's immediately go to up downs. Let's get 10 of these. So push up position, down to your elbows, back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Either a water break or second round. What do you want to do? 1, 2, 3, let's go. So we try to make these snakes, guys. Try to make a game with it. Do 5 more seconds, guys. 3, 2, 1. Straight to kettlebell swings. Here we go. This time we're going to add a little squat to it. Switch it up just a little bit. Add a squat. Remember to squeeze your core. Exhale when you come up. 3 more, guys. 1 more. Medium straight up downs. Let's go. Let's go. Push up position down. Oh, yeah. Let's speed it up, guys. Come on. Yeah. Push yourself. Push yourself. Breathe. Let's go. Good job. Ready for round 3 or a water break? Here we go. Five more seconds, guys. 3, 2, 1. Kettlebell swings. Go back to just the swings here. Just the swings. Just the swings. 1. You can put the squats in if you want to. Main thing is squeeze this core, guys. Squeezing this core. Yeah. Exhale when you come up. Three more. 2 more. Last one, guys. Up, downs, here we go. Up, downs, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're getting tired, put your knees down, but don't quit. Come on. Last one. All right, guys, we're 3 rounds in. Let's take a water break. We're gonna do 4. Guys, make sure we're hitting that like button. Make sure we're hitting that subscribe button. Make sure you check out our other videos. Whole thing is trying to educate as many people as we can. Got the meal prepping and the workout videos. Key is, guys, we gotta stay active. You gotta push yourself. We gotta get out of that comfort zone. Can't come to the gym and stay in that comfort zone. Gotta push yourself out. It's one reason we want to have these videos to push you a little bit. I'm out of my water. Always stay hydrated. We should be drinking a full bottle of water for your entire workouts. No comfort here. Don't see it, get fit, remember? All right, let's go. Keep these snakes going. Cobra Kai. Five seconds, guys. Come on. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Kettlebell swings. Let's incorporate the squats back. Let's incorporate the squats back with this one. Yeah. Halfway there, guys. Come on. Breathe. Squeeze that core. Three more, guys. 3 more. 2. Last one. Come on, guys. Last thing we got. Last thing. 10. Come on. Knock it out. 1, 2, 3. Count them out with me. Come on. 4, 5, 6. Come on, guys. 7, 8. Now that's what. Oh, come on. Give me one more. Out of the comfort zone, guys. Out of the comfort zone. Remember, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Gotta educate people. Check out all our other videos. And as always, don't sit, get fit.